How to download music from YouTube Studio. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Then go to youtube.com. Here, click on the three dots at the top right. Make sure there's desktop site. After you do that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on YouTube Studio. After you click on YouTube Studio, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here on the left side, click on the last button. Now you'll find different audios in here. You can play it, and to download it, go to the right side and just click on it. And you'll find download option. Then after it's downloaded, you can press on open at the top and listen to it. This is how to download music from YouTube Studio. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.